Our bees have swarmed from the hive, and there's barely anything left. And now they're up there, that clump there, and there are the bees, and the queen is in the middle of the big one. And my dad is climbing up and trying to sweep the bees off, and the queen's going to be in the middle of the clump and get it into the blue bucket that is somewhere down there.
I might be able to get it.
There. And then there is the swarm bucket where we'll put them in for a couple of days and then put them back in the other hive. So yeah, it's going to be quite of a struggle. My mom's helping and I'm videoing. So my dad's going to tie a rope onto the tree and then raise the bucket up, scrape the bees in, lower it down, tap them into the box, and see what happens. We didn't know they were going to swarm, because we thought we checked all them for any more queen cells, but guess we didn't look, or they made a new one. And my dad's friend, he was over to help, and he thought they had the queen, but they didn't. So that's why we're up there now, and they've moved a bit further up the tree. So now we are slowly raising the bucket up, but surely, and well, it's going to be a bit hard because the bees are just... Yeah, that's what my dad just said. And... I told him there's about a 50% chance he might fall. But my mom's just gonna reach the rope and pull it down. Can I pull it?
You make your baby.
I can still pull with one hand. Yeah, there goes the bucket. Getting caught in bushes. Might have to empty it. Anything in there?
Okay.
Okay, I'm videoing. Well, I was already, so. Just gotta watch this. Yep, can you see them swarming?
Yeah, that's the first lot.
Yep.
Okay.
Let the rope out a bit.
Yeah.
Swarming? Yes.
Okay.
Oh God.
Oh, Jesus.
Um.
I'm covered in bees.
Yeah. My mom's covered in bees.
Yep.
Down there.
Yep.
Clumps on him. My dad, he's just taking it. There's still some bees up there. Further up.
What?
There.
Let go of the rope.
Okay.
Yep, they're on the bucket. And I'll just move back a bit further. Yep.
Okay.
So you might not be able to see us for him,
Across
but
to the...
alright, my mum's making her way over to the swarm box,
So create a funnel.
and she's apparently trying to create,
Time.
taking her time.
Down.
She has got bees all over her.
Make sure all the bees come out.
Tap on the back. It's not a drum.
Let's give it a good tap, Mark. There we go, that's good.
There's at least about 100 bees on you.
Okay, then pull the rope so the basket comes back up.
Alright, now the rope's gonna go back up while my dad is not getting swarmed that much. Just got a lot of bees. And I just have to point this out, but
Basket comes back up.
our chicken's wondering what's happening. He's one of our new chickens.
Good job.
Not quite new, but very new. That's just making sure the lid is on properly. And now we have to get the ladder down. Two chickens investigating the grass. Probably finding any bees, because they do like bees. And now my dad is lifting the bucket. This bee is getting probably a bit tired and a bit cold, so my mom's gonna put him back into the hive. And he's quite. So that's my mom and dad. They hopefully got the bees back and the queen. And don't forget to like our video, and it's our first time doing it.